That Aaron? iPhone? Who buy that to you?
Mama.
Wow, patigin nga ako ng iPhone. Wow, maganda ng iPhone ng baby ko.
Wow.
How much is that, baby?
It's not expensive.
It's not expensive. Wow.
That's for boys.
Ah, that's for boys, not for mommy. Huh? Can I borrow that?
No, other girl.
Ah, I'm a girl. How about you? Are you?
A boy.
Oh, really? Are you a boy?
Yeah.
Huh? We. I borrow your iPhone.
Yes.
Hey, thank you. Wow, ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda naman ng iPhone na to. Paano ba to? Ha? Can you teach mommy how to play that?
Shoot.
Shoot lang. You want milk na?
Yeah.
We'll go to sleep na?
No.
No?
Only milk.
Only milk? Can you say goodnight to your follower?
Followers.
Ah, kiss mo sila. Ano sasabihin mo sa follower mo?
I love you.
Ano pa?
Miss you.
Bakit pause yan? Ha?
I love you too.